Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add widgets to Notion. Widgets are powerful tools that bring dynamic, interactive content directly into your Notion pages. They can significantly enhance your workspace by providing real-time information and boosting your productivity. Imagine having a live weather forecast, a countdown to an important deadline, or a motivational quote right on your dashboard. Widgets transform your static pages into engaging, functional hubs. To begin, you'll need to find a widget provider. Several excellent third-party platforms specialize in creating Notion-friendly widgets. Some popular choices include Widgetbox, Indify, and Aption. These providers offer a wide array of customizable tools, from simple clocks and calendars to more complex integrations like Google Analytics. Take some time to explore their galleries and discover the perfect widgets to suit your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. Once you've chosen a widget, the embedding process is straightforward. First, select your desired widget from the provider's platform and customize its appearance and functionality to match your Notion page. Next, copy the unique embed link or code that the provider generates for you. Finally, navigate to your Notion page, paste the copied link, and choose the Create Embed option from the menu that appears. Your new widget will then come to life on your page. After embedding, you can further customize and optimize your widgets. In Notion, you can easily resize and reposition your embedded content to fit your page layout perfectly. Many widget providers also offer extensive customization options for colors, fonts, and styles, allowing you to match your Notion aesthetic. Popular widgets include interactive calendars, real-time weather updates, and motivational quote generators. Remember to regularly review and update your widgets to ensure they remain functional and relevant to your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.